How to create a tie in Audaces Fashion Studio. Add a new mesh and mark the region where the tie will be created using the Cut with Curve tool. Use the Sculpt tool with Extrusion and Smooth tools to position the mesh in front. Duplicate the mesh 4 times. Select one of the meshes and create the shape of the tie's collar with the Cut with Curve tool. On another mesh, create the knot of the tie. Then, cut the ends of the tie, one on each mesh. Adjust the shape with the Smooth tool. Create a cut in the collar and sew the tie ends with the Sew tool. With the Sculpt tool, use Extrusion to organize the meshes. Use the Pin Borders option to add volume to the knot. Finish with the Smooth tool and apply prints and trimmings to make it even more realistic.